Right, so today I'll be showing you how to set up your Galaxy Smart Tag 2 with your Samsung phone. Now this is very simple. First thing you need to do is simply just pull out this piece of paper. Once you pull it out, the battery gets connected. You'll hear the Smart Tag 2 make a sound. Now you simply need to go to the SmartThings app of your Samsung phone, and with the app launched, you just wait for it to pick up your device. There you go. So you can see it's already detected the device. So all you have to do is tap on add, then it's gonna start the pairing process. So you can see it's a Galaxy Smart Tag 2. So you need to allow it to use location information, then tap on agree. And then now it's preparing the smart tag. Now you'll be prompted to press this button here. So just press the button in the center of the tag. Just press like that. Okay, that confirms the pairing. Now all you have to do is wait for the device to get registered, and then now you can choose where you want to set it up. So you can call it your home, and then if you want it on the go, you can give the device a specific name, and you can set it as favorite, and then tap on done. Now when you set it as favorite, it means it's going to be appearing on the home screen of this app. So it's a very simple process. That's it. So it says before using the tag, hit continue. So it's installing the SmartThings app, and there you go. So there is the tag all set up. And as soon as you set up, more often than not, it's going to require a quick firmware update. So you're going to see the prompt. So just go ahead and update your device. So it's going to take some time, so just be patient. Setup is now complete, and then the device is going to restart and get reconnected to your phone, and you are good to go. So that is basically the simple process of setting up your Galaxy Smart Tag 2 with your Samsung phone. So here it is. You can connect to it anytime. Then you have your options. You can look at the ringtone, the button sound. You can turn on power saving mode. You can do everything you need to do. Now to locate this, you need to use the Find app. So the Samsung Find app should get installed as you're setting this up, but you can of course go ahead and download it for yourself if you want to. All right, so here it is on the map, and yeah, that's how to set it up. Thanks for watching, and good luck.